Okay, now let's continue on the output load line. So now your output load line is focusing on your CE loop. Input load line focusing on BE loop. So what is the equation of KVL at your CE loop? Starting from here, so minus VCC plus RCIC plus VCE equal to 0. Okay, you are given a graph. So this is your IC, this is your VCE, and this is a graph of your BJT. So what you need to do now is you need to find a straight line, right? In order for you to find a straight line, you need to find point A and point B. So straight line equation is again y equal mx plus c. So what is the y in the graph? IC equal m. Your x is VCE plus c. So now what you need to do now, you need to interchange this equation until you got like this. So your IC from number 1, IC will be equal to minus VCE plus VCC divided by RC for both. So what is your M here? So this is your intercept. C. This is your M is minus 1 over RC. This is your X and this is your Y. So how you're going to find the value of A and B? So let's say you want to find the value A. Means you're going to make X equal to 0, right? Because it's at the point Y. So what is your X? VCE equal to 0. So based on this equation, what will happen to your VCE equal to 0? Your IC will be equal to VCC over RC. Okay. How about point? So where your A point here is actually VCC over RC. Now, how about point B? So you need to make Y equal to 0. So what is your Y here? Your Y here is your IC. So this one will be 0. So your VCE will be equal to VCC. So you can get this point B is actually your VCC. After you get 2 points, so draw a line. Draw a line. So that line we call load line. So what is the answer? The load line intersect with your IV characteristic. What we call here is your Q point. The answer of your DC analysis. Okay, now so let's do one example of the question. So the question will say find the input and output load line. So input load line we refer to BE loop or CE loop. So you define with BE loop. Output load line refer to CE loop. So when talking about load line, we need to have a graph. So the question will attach together a graph. So input load line here is your IB, it's a diode, right? BE. So the graph will look like this, V gamma. So the graph will be given in the question. So again, for your output load line, we refer to here your output current is IC. Here is VCE. And here is your IB. So your task now is to find the value here A, B, and same here C and D. So now let's start at the input load line. Means you need to have equation at your BE loop. So starting from here, it become minus VBB plus RBIB plus VBE equal to 0. So you can get your IB equal VBB minus VBE divided by RB. Sorry. So you got minus VBE plus VBB divided by RB divided by RB. So this is the equation for your input loop. Now what will happen at your output loop? So your output loop is from your, this is BE loop. So your output refer to your CE loop. So your CE loop starting from above become minus VCC plus RCIC plus VCE equal to 0. So you can get your IC equal minus VCE over RC plus VCC over RC. Okay. Okay, so in order for you to know the value of C and D, so you need to plug in what happened when during x equal to 0 and what will happen when y equal to 0. So here, when your VCE equal to 0, your IC will be 10 divided by 2K, that is 5 milliampere. So you can get point C, that is 5 milliampere. So this is point C. How about point D? So you need to make IC will be equal to 0. So your VCE from that equation will be equal to 10 volts. So your D now is 10 volts. So once you got the value of C and D, draw a straight line. So this line we call load line equation. So the intersection between your straight line and your IB, this one we call Q point. How are you going to find the Q point? You are going to make estimation here. So this is the value of your Q point. So for your input load line, what will happen when x equal to 0? So your x here is VBE. So means VBE equal to 0. Your IB will be 4 divided by 220K. So you can get here your IB equal 18.2 microampere. Okay. So means this is point A. So here is 18.2 microampere. How about point B? Means you need to have y equal to 0. Means what is the y? IB equal to 0. What will happen? Your VBE will become 4 volt. So your point B here is 4 volt. So once you get point A and point B, so you go straight line. So this is your Q point. Okay. Thank you.